Hello, my name is Edson Camacho, I'm a software engineer, and I'm a full-stack developer with a deep passion for technology and innovation. I hold a degree in digital games and have completed postgraduate studies in artificial intelligence and software engineering. Over the years, I've honed my skills in web and app development, working with technologies such as Java, Spring Boot, Angular, TypeScript, C, .NET, MongoDB, and MySQL. The Hello World program in Java is a simple and classic example used to introduce beginners to the fundamentals of programming. It demonstrates how to set up a basic Java application, write a simple statement, and display it in the console. In this program, the phrase Hello World is printed to the screen using Java's built-in system, out, print method. The program consists of a single class, usually named main, with a main method that serves as the entry point for the application. By running this program, learners gain familiarity with Java syntax, the structure of a Java program, and how to execute code in a development environment. It's often the first step in mastering more complex Java programming concepts. Public class main. Explanation. This line defines a class named main. Public. This keyword means that the class is accessible from anywhere in the program. Class. This keyword is used to declare a class in Java. A class is a blueprint for creating objects and organizing code. Main. This is the name of the class. It must match the file name e.g. main. Java because it is declared as public. Public static void main string, args. Explanation. This line defines the main method, which is the entry point of any Java application. Public. This means the method can be accessed from anywhere in the program. Static. This means the method belongs to the class itself, not an instance of the class. This allows the program to call the method without creating an object of the class. Void. This indicates that the method does not return any value. Main. This is the name of the method that Java looks for to start execution. String, args. This is an array of strings that can hold command line arguments passed to the program when it runs. System, out. Print, hello world. Explanation. This line prints the text hello world to the console. System. This is a built-in class in Java that provides access to system-level functionality. Out. This is an instance of the printStream class, which is connected to the console output. Print. This method outputs text to the console. Unlike println, it does not move the cursor to the next line after printing. Hello world. This is the string of text that will be displayed on the console. Note that it is enclosed in double quotes because it is a string literal. Summary of output. When this program runs, it will display the text hello world in the console. Note that there is a typo in the text hello world. It should likely be hello world. If this is intentional, the program is correct as written.